Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you ready to revolutionize your home decor with the most epic wall panels ever? I'm talking about the Art3dwallpanels 33-pack 3D wall panel diamond. This game-changing product is about to take your walls to the next level. With its real 3D design, featuring a stunning diamond pattern with a 1-inch raise, you'll be the envy of all your friends and family. The best part, it's incredibly easy to DIY, no specialized knowledge required. Just plan your 3D accent wall panels and get ready to transform your space. This premium PVC material is not only thin and lightweight, making it a breeze to install, but it's also waterproof and fire-resistant, giving you a durable and long-lasting finish. Imagine running your hand over the textured surface, feeling the subtle bumps and grooves of the diamond design. It's a truly tactile experience. As a well-reviewed and popular product, thousands of customers have already experienced the magic of Art3dwallpanels, and the results are astounding. From living rooms to bedrooms, game rooms to bathrooms, this versatile product can add a fresh new look to any room. The sound of admiration and awe from your guests will be music to your ears as they marvel at your unique and stylish wall decor. What really sets Art3dwallpanels apart is its wide range of applications. Whether you're looking to create a feature wall, ceiling, or even decorate your man cave, this product is the perfect choice. With its ease of use and stunning visual impact, it's no wonder why so many people are choosing Art3dwallpanels to elevate their interior design. So why settle for boring, bland walls when you can create a show-stopping focal point with Art3dwallpanels? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already discovered the secret to amazing wall decor, and get ready to take your home to the next level with the Art3dwallpanels 33-pack. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.